Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Today, we're making a beautiful fingerprint pendant necklace, a truly unique and meaningful keepsake. Since everyone's fingerprints are one of a kind, this handmade pendant will be a special piece to treasure. This project is beginner-friendly, rated 1 out of 5 stars for difficulty, so you can easily follow along and create your own. Start by taking 5 grams of silver clay and kneading it into a ball. To prevent sticking, place parchment paper on both sides of the clay before rolling it out evenly. Then, press your finger firmly onto the clay to imprint your fingerprint. You can apply a small amount of lotion to your finger first. This helps prevent the silver clay from sticking to your skin and enhances the clarity of the fingerprint. Once you have a clear fingerprint, place the piece into a toaster oven at 100 degrees Celsius for a few minutes to partially dry it. Then, use a pencil to lightly sketch any text or design you'd like on the back, such as a name or a special date. Engrave the text using crafting pens. Next, gently drill a hole in the silver clay, ensuring a steady motion to prevent cracks or deformation. And once done, return it to the toaster oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes to fully dry. Let it cool before refining the edges with a file and sandpaper. Now it's time to fire the piece. If you have a kiln, you can use that, but if you're firing at home, a gas stove works too. Start with low heat for 5 minutes, then medium heat for another 5 minutes. And finally, high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure to adjust the time depending on your stove's heat output. After firing, use a wire brush to remove any residue. Then refine the surface with coarse and fine sandpaper. To achieve smooth edges, I like using a portable cordless rotary tool. For the final touch, apply sulfurization solution to darken the grooves, making the fingerprint stand out beautifully. And just like that, your one-of-a-kind fingerprint pendant is complete. Tips for the best results. Don't make the silver clay too thin. The pendant should be at least 2 mm thick to ensure durability. Use lotion. Applying a small amount of lotion to your finger prevents the clay from sticking and helps create a clearer fingerprint. Use a steady hand for engraving. Light pencil marks can help guide your design before engraving. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more silver clay crafting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!